Good morning, Miss Deuce. You ready to get the work done? What's in the box? New carpet. Rubber bottom carpet. Supposedly good stuff. Let's see. Yep. Very nice to me. Rubberized, fitted. That should work. Let's get it put in. Coming along. Let's see if our half-painted chairs will make a little bit more sense in a minute. Does it look good or what?
Yeah.
That's it for the daylight today, but we got cabinets and the sofa and carpet, and black seats, and windows that roll up and down, painted things. Let's go around here. Oh, look at that. We got some solar. And we got nice and black seats, new carpet, black running boards, 220 watt Bluetooth solar panels, flexible style, so that should be enough to recharge a few things. Leak checks, leak checks. Gotta have them leak checks.
Yep.
Check back behind me, back the back door. Make sure it ain't got no leaks.
No leaks.
Are we good to go? Thumbs up?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Good to go? The boys are cleaning out the toolbox. Captain Deuce is taking a nap. Trish is putting in a new floor. And I'm playing cameraman.
My feet in the way.
And only Van's feet picks. That's what sells it.
Only Vans.
That's it.
Open the back door and do
Yeah, matching floor now.